Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use auto captions in CapCut on PC. This feature automatically converts your voice into subtitles in just one click. So if you want to save time and make professional videos, keep watching till the end. Let's get started. First, open CapCut on your PC. Click on New Project and import your video. Drag your video to the timeline. Make sure your video has clear audio, because captions depend on your voice. Now go to the top menu and click on Text, and then click on Auto Captions. Select the language of your video. Now click on Generate. CapCut will automatically create subtitles from your audio. Once captions appear, you can fix spelling mistakes, change words, adjust timing. Just click on the text and edit it. You can customize captions to look better. Change font, add colors, add background, use animations, make your captions attractive for YouTube videos. After editing, click on Export. Choose Resolution 1080p, Format MP4. Now your video with captions is ready. For best results, speak clearly, avoid background noise, use simple words. This improves caption accuracy. That's it! Now you know how to use auto captions in CapCut on PC easily.